Welcome back to Money Mindset. Let's take a look at investing in individual stocks. If you've ever wondered about the risks and rewards associated with this approach, how to diversify effectively, and the strategies to maximize your profits, you're in the right place. The risk and rewards of individual stock investing. There is risk and rewards that come with investing in individual stocks. We all know that the stock market can be quite unpredictable, but the potential rewards can be equally substantial. Investing in individual stocks offers a unique opportunity to become a part owner of a company and potentially benefit from its growth. Diversification for minimizing risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's where our rule of thumb for diversification comes into play. You see, spreading your investments across different stocks or sectors can help minimize risks. A common suggestion is to have a diversified portfolio of around 15 to 20 stocks or a mix of sectors. This way, if one sector faces a downturn, your entire investment won't take a massive hit. Invest in what you understand. When choosing individual stocks or sectors, it's wise to invest in ones you're genuinely interested in or ones that produce products you use and love. Why? Because when you believe in the company's mission and product, you're more likely to hold on to those stocks during market turbulence. Setting profit targets and understanding risk tolerance. It's crucial to set clear profit targets for yourself. Decide what gains you're aiming for and at what point you're comfortable selling a stock. Having these targets in mind can help you avoid getting swept up in emotions and making impulsive decisions. Risk tolerance is another factor to consider. Everyone has a different comfort level with risk. Some are willing to take bigger risks for potentially higher rewards, while others prefer a more conservative approach. Know where you stand on this spectrum to make informed decisions aligned with your personal financial goals. Investing in individual stocks can be incredibly rewarding, but it's not without its challenges. Remember, diversification is your friend, and investing in what you understand and believe in can make all the difference. Set those profit targets, know your risk tolerance, and you'll be well on your way to navigating the world of individual stock investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Money Mindset for more insightful content about investing, personal finance, and much more. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing.